What's up, guys? It's Keith Trades. We're here for June 28th, Friday, full days analysis. We ended up taking two trades long. I analyzed other trades, but just didn't execute because of conditions. But let's get right into it. Again, all the proof of fills are posted on both IGs, so you can check out the proof of fills to show that we did execute the setup we called out. But without further ado, let's get right into our plan. Again, this was a no news day. We had news at 5:30 in the morning, but my long plan, right? From Thursdays to pre-market range, right? We found buying through the daily and we hit discount. So I understand that we hit discount. We can deliver to what? Target 2178. With this selling, I likely see market run lower than final reversal. Never happened, right? So our long plan hit off the open. And then my short plan was a buy side sweep into the 1 hour. I like to see market just plays through the bullish 15 and then run lower to 2000, 1993, 1952. Right? So let's get right into those targets. Right? Very simple. Coming in on the 4 hour, right? We're still in this huge 4 hour gap. And what 4 hour gap did we end up respecting for the run lower? Up here, right? Very nicely. But coming into the day, what do we have, right? Monday, bullish. We're still bullish on the day, right? In my area to find buying was this point. Coming into the session, we were already finding buying through this daily fair value gap here, right? Target wise, very simple, right? 2178. It's a little bit different. This is MNQ and Q, a little bit different prices, but they move the same, right? So 2178 was just this high here. And then, right, targets lower were the 2000s. Just these lows here. And then target lower, 1993, right? These two. And then 1952 was just this 1 hour low here. Right, these are my sell side targets. Here was my long target. Right, so let's come into the session and see what we got. Right, understand that we already bought through. Right, what do I see from Thursday's range? Right, here is market open. Swing high to swing low of that range. I understood that we've hit what? We've already delivered to discount. So if we find buying, we find buying here at discount. I was mainly looking at this small reversal from the PM session on Thursday. I was looking at this range mainly, and that was discount hit as well. Even I think if we extend all of Thursday's range, swing high to swing low. Oh no, we didn't. Right, so coming in, right, what was my play point? It was this 15-minute fair value gap they were in here, right, wick to wick. This is my 15-minute fair value. I'm just saying if we respect here with a bullish model, we're likely to run what high, right? 2178. That's why I said that we could find a buy model off the open. Right, coming into the session, let's see what setup we got, right? We already understand that we have external sell side swept here. Coming in on the internal model, right, we have our power of 3. Accumulation here. We downside manipulate in the open and find what? A market structure shift. Right, understanding that we started to see a bearish model, you would want to see this fair value gap get respected, lower, or even this one. I stayed patient, just waited. Once I saw the 5-minute, once I saw us crack above these highs and see a 5-minute market structure shift here, confirmed by this close above, I was comfortable to say, okay, longs can come in and rebalance, right? What was my point to rebalance to, right? It was this unfilled 15-minute fair value gap, 2113. As you can see in my intraday calls, I said first long target is 2113. That was at 636. So on the 1 minute, right, 2113. We called that out here, 636. We called it out for the 2113 target. Right, zooming in, right, wasn't too confident in this entry. Once I saw that we respected this fair value gap, we have closed above this bearish. I was comfortable getting an inverse close above entry. So this fair value gap was my play point. Right when we closed above it, I got along at the 2090s, right? Stop just below here or here. My target, very simple, 2013. And that was for a 23-point gain, a very smooth delivery. And then your PT2 would be what? The 2178 high. There's the call outs from the pre-market plan at 6:18 before the market opened. Here's my intraday call out. Got my entry a few minutes later. Targets were met. Right? Very, very nice, simple quality trade. And I'm going to go into the next trade that I took. And it was this long reversal that I took at around 10 o'clock. A very small scalp. So understanding that we had a short model come in. I'll review that in a second. We had delivered the previous day's low. Not previous day's low, my fault. Opening low, sell side. We swept sell side lower. So I was comfortable understanding that we can see a reversal model. I'm a 5-minute trader. Once I saw that we have displaced through this 5-minute fair value gap and this one as well, I can understand that, okay, market can potentially rebalance to here. Wasn't too confident in the rebalance, right? Once I saw the displacement through, I got a 1 minute fair value gap long entry at this wick, and I took full profits at this high break. That live trade is posted at Keith Trades and on our TikTok, right? So I'm long here, out here. Very quick scalp, a minute trade, but 13 points is very nice. Right, so that was my second trade. That was the only two trades I took. Again, I ended up one and done the most this week. It was a 6 for 6 week, right? Notice something about these models that we have taken every day, right? What do you notice? Sweep, break, continuation. Break a structure, discount, buy through, right? Notice something about all these trades. They're all 5-minute trades. 5-minute market structure, respect, entry to target what? A draw to a SIBI, a 1 hour. Right? What about this one? Sweep, 5-minute market structure, 5-minute respect, entry to what target? High day. What about the first trade of the week? Market structure shift to the upside, sweep, market structure shift, long, what? Notice that all these trades look the same. That's the model. That's the confidence that I built. I understand that this trade and this setup is more than likely to win than lose and has a higher probability. That is your one setup. That long model continuation, that long setup is what has paid this whole week. A 6 for 6 week on the exact same model. And we stay disciplined for just that. Right, coming in, another trade you could have taken, the shorts, right? Again, as I said, this 4-hour fair value gap got respected very strongly, and we rejected very aggressively. Right, coming in, wouldn't be too confident here, right? As we're still in discount, but you could potentially take that short, right? Where would your target be? It would be very simple. It would be this opening low. Right? Opening range low is your target. And then also a draw to fill what? 15-minute imbalance here, 15-minute imbalance here. Right, so you can take a stab short at the 5-minute, right? Strong rejection at the 4-hour, break a structure on the 5-minute, not finding any buying in these bissies, right? Internal sweep into this, short down you can. I wouldn't have taken that. I would have mainly looked at something like this, right? We see a 5-minute displacement and we see a fair value gap here. And we see on the 15-minute, we form a 15-minute fair value gap lower. I would look and say, okay, market fails to reprice. I go in on my 1 minute. I see what? A failed buy model, internal sweep here. Why would you not get stopped out on this short here? Because you never would again, and we never break structure downside. Right? Once you see a clear shift in structure here, right, you get your 1 minute fair value gap short entry here. Right? Very sniper entry. Stop can factor in all of them, or wick high, 11 points, target what? 46 points. And what is that target? Opening range low on the day. That would be the quality short model I would take. This one was great, no entry I looked at, and the rest of the day was pretty choppy action. But again, called out 2 great trades and called the longs beautifully off the open. Our short plan ended up hitting. What didn't, area of interest wasn't met, but we still had the model to take out all these targets. But that was today's June 29th, June 28th, full trade recap, the analysis. Thank you guys for watching. This Discord launch will be coming up not this week, but next week. We'll have a 4th of July sale for just that. I'm excited to get you guys in and prove that we can do this each and every day. Right? From this week, 6 for 6, you pay back your membership and then freaking triple it probably. Right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like and comment, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.